So imagine waking up to the number one biggest online trading platform, Binance, which is really used by Nigerians, and then you're getting a message that you can no longer access the app. How would you feel? Now, for example, I got this message yesterday. It says, "Dear Binancean, we are aware that some users are experiencing issues accessing Binance.com along with other platforms in the industries. Only users attempting to access the website are impacted, although the app is currently unavailable. Importantly, all phones are secure and accounts can still be accessed." In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you what has really happened, the news in general. I'm going to break it down, and I'm also going to be giving you an alternative in case you still want to trade. You're going to be getting an alternative that I've used, or will I say that I'm going to be highly recommending for you to use. I'm going to be rating this particular app 5-star, but before we delve into that part, we're still going to look into the news in general so that everybody can understand what the news entails. And again, I'd love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, all right, like and share so that YouTube can get to push this video. Let's dive into it. So Binance has been blocked here in Nigeria. We all know that it's very popular, and they told us that the sites can no longer be accessed, but you can still use the app, and again your funds are secure and safe, so you don't need to worry about your funds or the money you have there. Do you understand now? So I'm trying to explain the news. A lot of persons do not understand the news yet, so I'm trying to explain the news. So what is the reason for, so why this? We all know that dollar is currently trading at 1,600 naira, and the Nigerian government, or rather say, they are making efforts to stabilize the declining value of the Nigerian money. Most of us know it's totally and really fair. But then, I know it has put a lot of impact on Nigerians, and you can see that we are some of the impact, which are the fact that we can no longer sell some of the um, certain cryptocurrencies like USDT and BTC for a particular unit. Now, the limit is an only trade at $1,102. So you see that we now have a limitation on buying, and it's going to really affect a lot. Really affect the traders. You know that demand is highly sought by all persons, but the annoyance is that they're also asking that Bitcoin and some other demand platforms, they want them to close free. I don't know how this even concerns the government actually. I don't really know. I think the solution to this should be we should be able to produce more things from our home, like we able to, if we stop more of importation and focus on using our own products. I think that would help. That would help stop this dollar rise of the so a lot of Nigerians are actually frustrated right now. Some government users like Ned Woko is saying that dollar should be thoroughly banned. I don't understand that statement. I don't understand. I'm trying to understand that statement. Why should dollar be, American dollar should thoroughly be banned here in Nigeria? We have people like the presidential spokesperson. We have Bayo Ononuga is saying that platforms like Binance are manipulating naira's value. We all know the problem is not from our centralized platform, our trading platforms. We know it's not from them, but whatever these persons are trying to, we don't know what these persons are playing at, but God will definitely help us in this country. Like I promised, I'm going to be sharing with you a platform you can also use to trade your currencies. I'm going to be dropping it, and I'm going to be showing you how it looks like so you can be able to download and use it. So all you need to do is go to Play Store and search for yellow card. I'm going to show you how it looks like so that you know what you're downloading. Fine, we have it here. We know it is it has over 1 million download, and you can buy crypto, sell crypto at cheap rates, fast and simple. You can send crypto to your yellow card customers, external wallets. You can send money instantly. You can earn up to 20% commission by inviting your friends and the rest of that. Well, this is it. This is what the app looks like. Yellow card, buy and sell crypto. You can check this out yourself at your convenience, and if you're comfortable with it. Now, disclaimer, I am not asking that you do this. If you're comfortable with this, then you can go with this. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I love you so much. Bye.